In this video, we'll show you how to engage and disengage the Child Lock safety feature. The Child Lock feature eliminates accidental adjustments to any of the heater settings. To enable the Child Lock feature, simply hold down the power button for 5 seconds. And once the Child Lock has been turned on, your heater will display a red lock icon next to the temperature reading. You may hear a beep depending on your model. If your heater has a red display, your power button will flash red and blue to indicate that the Child Lock mode is engaged. To turn off the Child Lock mode, simply press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. The lock icon or flashing red or blue power button will disappear and your touchscreen buttons will be operational once again.